Hello family, it's your guy Fif and the boy, and you're chilling out with your number one producer, one and only
producer of all the beats.
Okay, hello guys, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, noon, anytime you will see this video. Yeah, now today I'm back as Vatusoki E. Yeah, and I want to show you some steps, maybe beginner friendly tutorial on how you can start making beats on FL Studio. And also, you can, as you know, as usual, music has got no rules. You can do anything you want as long as the vibe you feel it. We don't do things because you want them to know how you did it, maybe to know your feeling, but the moment you are happy with the thing you have made, then the other people will be happy also. Yeah, okay, let me start. Open FL Studio, new basic. Yeah, here. So we're gonna start. Maybe if you already have FL Studio, at least you'll be familiar with three major things here. No, okay, no, not three, four major things I can show you majorly. But there's another one, five. Let's say a relation of 5 things. One, I can start with these, a browser. This browser will help you choosing some samples and everything that you want to use, maybe a kick, snare, those things. And then you'll find here a playlist, which is this front window where we will arrange everything. This is the home where you'll arrange everything, your mix full. And then a piano roll and a mixer. Majorly we're gonna talk about the piano roll, playlist, and a channel rack here, this channel rack. First of all, on starting, how to start making beats. Maybe you have the vibe on your head, you're thinking of something you want to make. The first step, you'll know the tempo of your beat. You can tap it here using a tempo tapper. So mine maybe might be here. 91 is good. It's almost 90. So I can click here to make my pattern. Click to make my pattern. So minimizing your window and maximizing. So I'm going to use my first pattern to start showing you the relation between everything. First of all, you've seen like I've started something like arranging my pattern 1, it's on track 1 maybe, but I want to start making a beat. First of all, my samples and everything will be arranged on this channel rack. I'll choose a plugin maybe. That is to show you the relation between a channel rack and a playlist. I told you like the playlist is where everything will be arranged. So I have used my channel rack to pick a plugin. I want to use maybe Morphine, and then I'll choose something out of Morphine, which is let me use this. Yeah, I've chosen my sound here on a channel rack. For those who are using FL Studio 10, you'll find it being called a step sequencer. Yeah, Here on the channel track, you'll mark the sound, the plugin where you, or the sample where you want to start making patterns, and then either you can right click, go to piano roll, or you'll just press F7. Yeah, F7 to open a piano roll. You've opened your piano roll, but the relation between the piano roll, it's on pattern 1. Pattern 1 is here on the playlist. Since you've opened the piano roll, everything you'll be arranging here will be placed on the playlist. Yeah, so you will start making your patterns from the piano roll, but already your pattern 1 is here, and then you can click here on song, so that everything will be maybe looping according to the length you've chosen. Here, let me start making something for you, and then if I had an idea today, I'll start maybe something like that. I've already arranged it here, and then maybe I can loop it to, yeah, my step is I think full, I can say something like that. As you see, I made it on the piano roll, and then my pattern 1 was on the playlist, so everything will be here like yeah. So like if I put it to be looping, it will be like that. So maybe I can choose pattern 2, but since we want to be in the same track without messing, maybe going off key, you can use one pattern, then later you'll split. Maybe I can use this and then add another plugin. Maybe let me use citrus, and the plugins I'm using by the are from FL Studio, so they are free. I think not this citrus. Not this one. Don't know this citrus I'm looking for, but maybe this one. Okay, let me just play with it. Yeah, we can make something according to by the marking. You can click on Ctrl A and you'll mark everything, or you can click Ctrl and then use your mouse to highlight and then mark. And some shortcuts like pasting forward, you can mark Control A and then click Control plus B. Everything will go frontward. Or undoing, you can click Control Z. Everything will undo. Yeah. So like another thing is maybe Control copy, Control C, and then you'll paste Control V. Yeah. I think I've done. To shift one octave up, you'll click Control up. Yeah. And then the other thing is, maybe after I've made this, I don't want maybe to separate my patterns. I can click here and then split channels. After you've done split, you can come and click here on them, drag them to the playlist, and everything will be there separated. Yeah. Another thing is, maybe you want to add them to the mixer, then you can click here, select them all, come to the mixer, click on the first channel, maybe where you want everything to start from. Maybe I want them to start from here. I'll click, then I'll click Control Shift L. But since I want them to start from insert 1, I'll click Control Shift L. Everything will be there. And then maybe you can see here. Another thing, I'd maybe say, if you want to add maybe something like a reverb, you can click here and then add. And then some another steps maybe you can use are like what again. I think I've shown you everything. You can click here to make these maybe half steps, line, none. Maybe you've selected none, the spaces will be bigger. Maybe here you'll see like more spaces will be. What other thing I'm going to show you, maybe you can click this icon to make your window to be following. Maybe you enlarge this and then you want it to follow maybe every step. The moment I remove it, it will stop, but the moment I click it, it will start following. Yeah. And then which other thing, yeah, maybe to add some more flavors to make this beat, I think, a little juicy. I'll add everything because I think I've done and shown you some major things. Maybe for now I'll add some samples here, like a kick. Maybe I love this kick a lot. Maybe I'll add, no, Yeah, I think you can get the vibe. Like making a beat really needs not more energy, but I think when you have a vibe, a simple vibe can make something great. But the moment you start adding too much things, maybe you can squash your songs. I don't know, but at least some simple energies are great energies, I can say. Like if you can feel this. Now what if I add some bass? Maybe I can say that from DX. Something like. Yeah, hey, you can feel the vibe. Maybe you can say like, yeah, this is a great thing. Like a simple vibe, you know that. Yeah. Yeah, guys, by the way, I'm done showing you some simple steps maybe to making a beat. Yeah, like maybe I can show you another thing. Maybe wait for some tutorials again. Tomorrow I'll be bringing you some more vibes and more juices on this thing, on how to make beats and everything else. Maybe we'll cover too much and so much, so many things in by the way. Yeah, for now, peace out, guys.